So Microsoft sent us a Surface Pro 9. This is literally just hit my desk. Interestingly, the keyboard that they've sent me says Surface Pro X on it, and it is actually the Surface Pro X keyboard. The only way I could tell that is because they've actually got the old Surface Pen here. So look, it's a good thing to remember, I guess, that the accessories for the Surface Pro X and the Surface Pro 8 will work with the Surface Pro 9. So let's get rid of that and get to the real business, which is the Surface. Let's do a bit of knife work here. Surface Pro 9. Now, this is a demo that Microsoft have loaned me. It is in the recycled brown box, so unlike the retail versions, these ones have a cardboard packaging, which is great. There's basically no plastic at all inside this box. So as I pull the Surface out, it's even wrapped in a recycled, some sort of recycled fabric, I think, which is pretty impressive. When you think about like big IT departments deploying these, hundreds and hundreds of boxes going all at the same time, we're not filling skips with waste when we do these devices. We are actually, able to recycle all of this, which is fantastic. So this is the Surface Pro 9. It's the ARM version, the 5G version. It's not the Intel version. There is an Intel version of this device, doesn't have 5G though. We're going to talk more in another video about the difference between the ARM versions of this device and the Intel ones. Just like the Surface Pro X before it and the Surface Pro 8, there's a few decisions that you have to make if you want to go with this device. It looks pretty much exactly the same as my Surface Pro 8, but they have actually moved the power button and the volume controller there to the top. One of the really annoying things about the Surface Pro 8 was the position of the power button, which whenever I turned it into portrait mode I would accidentally press it and turn the device off. So apart from that, it's basically the same chassis design. What's really cool about this one though is that it's going to be much more repairable than the older models. Be able to have people on site doing full repairs from everything from batteries, displays, kickstands, volume buttons, all of those sorts of things will be able to be replaced on this. So that's the Surface Pro 9, and in the box as well we've got a power cord. This is the Surface power adapter, Aussie power cord, which is nice, and the little power brick. Interesting, they don't have the USB port on the power brick anymore. But I find that I'm probably using this less and less as I'm using USB PD charging on my device, and the Surface Pro with its Thunderbolt ports these days does support quite fast PD charging. So I actually most of the time have my Surface hooked up to the monitor, and the monitor charges the device. So also in the box, because this is the 5G version, you get a little SIM card removal tool. It tells you where to find the SIM card, which is behind the little battery hatch, and a little bit of paperwork as well. A little bit of a quick start. So that's what's in the box on the Surface Pro 9. So make sure that you've hit like and subscribe, because we're going to talk a little bit more about the difference between the ARM and the Intel processor versions of this device, and make sure that you understand the difference. So hit that notification bell so you get notified when our video drops real soon on that.